breathe it. Hey.
We've always advertised our business externally, and why should that be any different when it comes to Amazon? Amazon Ads is a tool that can help grow your awareness of your brand and reach shoppers searching for product like yours. When we first started using ads, we saw a massive difference in our sales. Sponsored ads help customers find your products by quickly creating ads that appear in related shopping results and product pages. For a brand like ours, we're able to identify those important keywords, such as healthy snacking and vegan. Some quick tips when getting started. Start investing a small amount into ads straight away to get your products seen. And use the data on what's working to keep refining your ads to reach your audience. With sponsored products, your ads may be displayed at the top of, alongside, or within shopping results and on product pages. Ads are shown to shoppers based on relevant keywords or products. Sponsored brands are cost per click ads that feature your brand logo, a custom headline, and multiple products. These ads appear in relevant shopping results and help drive discovery of your brand among customers searching for similar products. Sponsored brands can help customers discover your brand and products with creative ads that appear in relevant Amazon shopping results. You can showcase your brand creatively, manage your costs by setting a budget and choosing your bid per click, and help shoppers get to know your brand by driving traffic to your store. Clickable logos, lifestyle imagery, or product categories, Amazon brings shoppers to your brand store. And when they click on products or categories in the ads, they're taken to the product page. Sponsored Display is a self-service display advertising solution that helps you grow your business and brand by engaging shoppers across the purchase journey on and off Amazon. You can reach relevant audiences throughout their shopping and entertainment journeys with self-service, programmatic display ads that can be created in just a few clicks by using Sponsored Display. Use Amazon's rich shopping experience and contextual signals to help create brand awareness, consideration, purchase, or even loyalty with relevant audiences. Engage audiences browsing specific detail pages on Amazon homepage, on Twitch, and across third-party apps. These retail-aware ads help drive performance, only serving when products are in stock or on the featured offer.